Did you know that up to 15% of women have never experienced an orgasm? Hi, I'm Dr. Rena Malik, board-certified urologist and sexual health expert and medical advisor with FemHealth, your #1 source for evidence-based health information for you by doctors. Today we're talking about why women have trouble climaxing. If you enjoy this video, be sure to tap subscribe below so you don't miss our completely free content teaching you everything you need to know about women's health. An orgasm is a transient state of pleasure that's associated with a peak of sexual activity, causing a sensation of release, rhythmic pelvic muscular contractions, and an altered state of consciousness. Most often, women require stimulation of the clitoris and/or vagina to achieve orgasm, but some women have been reported to be able to climax with stimulation of the nipples or other non-genital areas. The most reliable route for most women to achieve orgasm is through clitoral stimulation. The clitoris is the female erogenous zone, located directly above the female urethra. On the outside, you see the glands of the clitoris and the hood, but it extends inside the body like an upside-down wishbone and is made up of erectile tissue that expands just like the penis enlarges when stimulated. Very often, women have trouble achieving climax because they are receiving inadequate clitoral stimulation. Directed masturbation or even experimenting with different types of stimulation, such as vibration, can help women achieve orgasm. Sometimes issues like concern about body image, stress, fatigue, and anxiety can all make it difficult to reach climax. Cognitive behavioral therapy or sensate focus can help women improve these concerns. Sensate focus is a technique used to reduce anxiety that involves touching each other's bodies, starting off with non-sexual techniques and step-by-step advancing to sexual contact. Other health conditions like menopause, depression, and other chronic health conditions can contribute to difficulties reaching orgasm as well. Talk to your doctor to help optimize any other issues. I hope you all found this helpful and interesting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe below. The doctors of FemHealth are here for you and your family.